Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can essentially remove videos from your collections on TikTok. So you are just going to select the video you want to remove, like the collections you want to remove the video from. I'm just going to select this one from Laugh Out Loud. So for instance, I want to delete this video. I'm just going to select it, or you can use manage videos and select these and select remove. You can also click on the available videos and select remove. That way it will only show videos that are still available, so you won't have the hassle of deleting it one by one. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. But that's basically how you can remove it. I'm just going to click on it again and just press remove. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!